Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming essentials: battery, webcam mic, and a stable charger. Once done, install OS and browser updates so performance is reliable during class. Next, set up a dedicated teaching user account with a strong password and two-factor authentication to protect sessions and student data. Make sure your primary teaching platform is installed and log in to verify access. This immediate groundwork prevents interruptions and secures your environment before you build the lesson workflow. You now configure the software and materials for smooth delivery. First, select camera and microphone defaults in your platform and run level tests to remove background noise and clipping. Then open your slides, preload videos, and queue any external resources so switching is instant. This reduces dead time. Also set screen resolution to match your recording or streaming settings, enable a subtle virtual background if needed, and record a brief rehearsal to confirm audio, visuals, and pacing before students join. You begin class with a concise agenda and engagement hooks, chat prompts, polls, and breakout tasks to set expectations. While teaching, watch network and CPU usage. Close streaming apps and browser tabs if lag appears, and switch to Ethernet for stability. If audio or video fails, mute and unmute, then test with one volunteer to isolate the problem. Finally, if problems persist, restart the teaching app and only reboot the laptop as a last resort. This sequence preserves your session and minimizes downtime.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.